Hi students, today we are going to see about the simple interest, and here is the representation, symbolic representation. If the P is the principal, that's borrowed amount, and R is the rate of interest to be paid per year. So rate of interest per year will be represented by the R, and T is the year duration. So how many years it takes to repay. So here's the formula that I means a simple interest. I means interest. Interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Simply we will say as P or T by 100. So this is the interest we are going to get, and amount have to pay at end of the T years. That means total amount. Only we will not pay only the interest. We will pay the amount that we borrowed, right? Principal also we have to pay back plus the interest extra amount. So principal plus I. And here we go for the problem. Find the amount to be paid at the end of the 3 years. 3 years. So time is given as a 3. And principal P is given as 12,000, and here it's for at 12% per annum. PA means per annum. So for year, how many percentage interest? The rate of interest, it's a 12%. So rate of interest we will representing as an R. So R is equal to 12%. PA means per annum. Annum means year. For 1 year they have to pay the 12%. You know already for the formula to find the interest, but we have to find the amount. After finding the amount, we can add the interest and the amount borrowed, that's the principal. So interest formula is P or T by 100. Principal is 12,000 and rate is the 12, that's in, and T time is the 3 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Rest we have to multiply 120 into 12 into 3. Right? So 12 into 12 is 144, 0 into 3, and it's 4,320. So interest is equal to 4,320. We have to find the amount. So amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal we know that it's a 12,000 plus interest is 4,320. So if we add, we will be getting an 1,603.20. So at the end of the third, sorry, you can see here, right? So I have multiple here, 120 into 12 into 3, we are getting 1,440 into 3 is a 420. So it is only the interest, and we have to find the amount, that's by the question. So amount is equal to 12,000 plus the interest amount 4,320. So at the end of the third year, we have to pay the 16,320. When at the end of the third year we have to repay with a simple interest. So here we come for the next problem. What rate gives? So rate, what rate? So rate we have to find. Gives rupees 280 as an interest. So interest is equal to rupees 280 on a sum of rupees 56,000. So sum means a principal, the amount that we borrowed. So principal is equal to rupees 56,000 for the time period is 2 years. Always remember the time T have to be in the years. So we know the interest, we have to find the rate. So I is equal to P or T by 100. Just substitute here, rather than the rate we know everything. So I is a 280 is equal to the principal is 56,000 into R we have to find, and T is for 2 divided by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. So let you bring all other things this side. This 2 will become division. So 280 divided by 560 into 2 is equal to R. Clear? And this is cancelled, and 1 times 14 times, and 14 and 56 is for 4 times. So 1 by 4 is equal to R. So rate is given for 1 by 4%. So 1 by 4%, if we need, we can represent in the decimal also. So rate is equal to 0.25%. So this is the required rate. Clear? So here other than the rate, all other values are given. So just we substitute in the same interest formula and we can find the rate. And before applying the principal, whether you have to check whether it is given a principal or amount. It's given as a sum means that amount we borrowed will be represented as the principal P. Thank you.